would stop talking to me like it was because, frankly, it's offensive.
I give you my word. I will do everything in my power to put an end to this rumor. Let me take you out tonight.
Why?
I truly hate him.
Look over it! Ow! Breathing! Clearly not a priority to you.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm saying I'm sorry.
I'm not a fan of him, clearly. Cat.
Christopher McKay.
You're meeting her mom?
Cassie smelled like a kid with you.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's a pretty cool girl.
Cassie.
I tell you, it's not easy to hold her attention.
No cell phones right there? Yo, who is it, man? Nah, bro, tell her to come back later.
Yo, too late, bitch.
She can't be in here.
Beth, fucking drenched, okay? And, I'm out of drugs.
You gotta get up out of my house right now before these motherfuckers come through.
All I need
For real.
is a couple of C's.
What now?
I could fucking kill you right now. Just stay right there, keep your mouth shut, and be cool. These dudes ain't fucking around.
Can you do that, please? I'm sorry, I like Fez. At least how it is with Rue. Nate, what? Are you a fucking psychopath? Are you a serial killer? What the fuck is going on?
Oh, first, look at my stats. This is, you know, I don't get it. I'm trying to have a real ass conversation. I'm sorry.
She knows, but still, she wants to fuck you. You can do both, you know, talk and having sex.
So you a little bitch? Nah, bro, that's like my little sister.
I got 100 OC 80s, 500 Zanny bars, 520s at Addy. I'm low on bikes. You ever try fentanyl?
Bro, she's good, bro.
Let her.
I let big brother Toki.
Yo, for real, bro. I don't want her fucking with that shit.
You know that feeling when you come so hard that you can't feel or hear shit?
I'm headed back here.
What you want,
Good
Chelsea?
girl.
Yo, for real, man. She's good.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Gonna hurt you. Come on, try it.
Just please, God, I'm begging you, do not let me die tonight.
Please. And can she not be addicted to that also? Who the fuck?
What's wrong? Fuck! Who the fuck are you, man?
For you.
The boyfriend of the girl that you raped on Saturday night? I swear to God, I didn't rape the girl, dude. I saw it.
She told you that she had a blackout. I didn't recognize you, guy.
Dude, she wasn't blacked out, man. I swear to God, she asked me to fuck her, like, right here, right now.
I really didn't recognize you.
She's like...
She lied. What the fuck are you gonna do, Nate? Whether she's lying or not, you know, you're a fucking psychopath.
Like 21, 22. And they hurt you. No. Yeah, you're not gonna press charges, because if you do, you're gonna go to jail for a lot longer than I. I'm begging you, please don't do this. You're hurt me, please don't do it.
What?
What?
He's gonna do what? His father? I don't want to see that.
Did you rape her? No. Did you rape her?
I can't show you that. I can't watch it myself. I want to scream. Oh fuck me.
Hey, it's quick.
Obviously.
You gotta do where that feels. You want a couple of patches, girl?
Let her.
Okay.
It's gonna cost you 300. Come on, pay up, little sis.
I only have $2.
Fez, please do something.
Yo, Mouse, let me pay for it, man.
I thought you was too good for fentanyl. She can't afford it. She's gonna have to find another way of paying me. Straight up.
Please.
Got the money argument.
Dang, big brother must love you. It'll cost you
I'm beginning to like
$600.
him. Even if he's doing all of these things with drugs, he's selling you your drug.
It's always a pleasure doing business with you.
Fuck him. Bro. Is she gonna be okay? That's not it, really. What are you doing, you fucking psychopath? I was so right to hate him and to not give you that excuse of having a bad story to justify everything. A reason, not an excuse, and clearly I'm still hating you even more.
Yo, what's up? It's Fez. Yeah, look, I need a little help with Rude.
Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the
You
world.
called Jules? Okay, you're on your part.
Burn it down twice just for the fun of it. So much money
I hate you.
So much love.
Please, I don't want this relationship to go bad. I'm afraid. They are sweet, but if something is going wrong, you know, I don't like that. You're gonna create yourself.
Okay.
That's how you fucked me, fool.
What? Wanna know who's different from you?
And you're really asking it right now, and
Some fucking short.
You know, but that in life sounds bigger dick than you.
don't tell that kind of stuff to that psychopath.
Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
Who? I love this song. I'm lost with these big reveals at the end. I'm lost. I mean, Nate went back to his home. We saw that picture into his home. We saw that picture before on Jules' phone. That's why I thought that it was his sister. Why? It's not his sister, but Jules has this picture on her phone. I'm gonna keep that moment during the editing. Did you see the light coming into my head? Did you see that moment when I understood? Because also during this episode I was disturbed about the fact that we saw Nate's father filming that, doing that. I was confused by the fact that Jules, but no, I was totally out of what was happening right now. Nate's father was with Jules during that night. That's it. They are not related, they are not brother and sister, but Nate's father, that we discovered during this episode, did that to Jules. Because it was Nate's father phone, you know, that Jules was checking during that moment. That was what disturbed me and why I misunderstood, you know, the situation. Because I thought that it was Jules' phone. It was not Jules' phone, it was the guy's phone, you know. I'm sorry. Does it change what I said about Nate during my review and my intro? No. still a fucking dick asshole. I hate him. I don't care about the fact that during the first minutes of this episode they tried to explain us why he's like that. He's still a fucking dick asshole, violent person. Wow, I hate him. He's a fucking psychopath. He was violent with Jules, saying that it was a joke. It was clearly not one. And he was violent with that guy. And right there at the end, it was him, you know, flirting with Jules like that, you know, on the phone. Shy guy number, I can't remember. It was Nate. Tyler. Oh yeah, it's confusing me really. I still didn't erase enough, you know, into my head that Jules and Nate are not related, are not brother and sister. Nate's father did that to Jules. Nate was violent with Jules. Nate created that Tyler profile. He knows that he's talking to Jules, you know, she put our real pictures. He's flirting with Jules. I mean, is it to make a joke? Another one? Or is it more than that? He is a catfish for sure, but what are his intentions? Because we saw what psychopath he can be during this episode. Following that guy, entering into his apartment, destroying his face. He doesn't want to do something like that to Jules. Please. Because she responded to him like that during the party, because he felt ashamed. You know, his ego was hurt that a girl responded like that to him. He's not gonna do anything bad to Jules. Now that I know that she's not his sister, that his father did that to Jules, he can't know that. He can't know that his father did that to Jules. But he already created that Tyler profile to flirt with her and all. So maybe he's already preparing to do something bad to her, and soon he's gonna learn that his father did that also to Jules. Oh, I hate everything about that situation. But I like the fact that I was wrong about the two of them being rated brother and sister, because it could have been so much worse. I'm sorry that I misunderstood that. I can already predict the comments that I'm gonna have with the reaction video of the first episode. So many people are gonna think that I'm so stupid. That's already exhausting. Did you understand right now why I misinterpreted that moment? Because I thought that it was Jules' fun, you know. The persons who are watching reaction videos, you know, it's because of the fact that they are fans of the show. So when they're gonna know that I didn't understand that well, I'm gonna have so much hate into the comments of the first episode. I'm already exhausted, you know, by the moderation that I'm gonna make. Because no, I'm not allowing people to treat me like a stupid person. Why not? But I can already predict that some dirty words are gonna come. Because I didn't hide the fact that I hated what Nate did. But you know what? I hated it whether it was his sister or not. So, still a fucking dick. And I still hate him. This episode, which was more about him than about the other characters, even if we saw also all of the other characters, didn't help me at all to like him more. Or just even a little. You have to be a fucking psychopath to do that to people. I forgot to talk about something, you know, during my review of the last episode. I said that I was gonna talk about it and then I forgot. This shows, you know, about teenagers, like Skins, like 13 Reasons Why and all. Even if I said it, I putting them into the same shows for teenagers case, you know, box, but I think that they are really different because of this one being more about aesthetic, you know. The negative comments that you can find in all of the opinions, you know, about these shows, it's the fact that, oh, you're creating a show about teenagers and you are showing so many wrong stuff, you are showing teenagers who are taking drugs, who are doing bad stuff and all, you're gonna encourage teenagers to do bad stuff like that. No, it was not the case for Skins. It was not the case for 13 Reasons Why. By showing, you know, what that kind of stuff is doing to teenagers, and by not hiding it, you know, the good and the bad side of it, you're not encouraging people to do that kind of stuff. Like with that episode, they didn't encourage teenagers to act like Rue by taking drugs like that and all, or to act like Nate by being violent and such psychopaths. They are not selling that image. That's not something people that we want to be like. Of course, I mean, really for Rue, not for Nate. You can admire some things into these characters, like she's beautiful, she's a good friend for Jules, she's a good sister in a way. I'm not sure, you know, really. Gia, I'm so sad for Gia. They are not good examples, and teenagers are not gonna follow their examples, and writing a show about teenagers like that, it's not encouraging that kind of attitude. I don't like, you know, that kind of arguments that people can give, you know, negative comments that people can give about that kind of shows, because I'm really not thinking that by writing shows like that you are encouraging that kind of attitude. Not at all. It's the contrary for me. That's something that I wanted to say, you know, during the review of the first episode, but I forgot. I still don't know if I'm gonna post these reaction videos. If I wouldn't have made that mistake, I think that I would post these reaction videos. Because I love this show, that's it. How it's done. Mostly, you know, because of how it's done, and the characters, and the story. And I think that I'm reacting a lot during the episode, and clearly I have a lot to say in each intros and reviews. And my reactions, my thoughts, and these videos are checking all of the boxes, you know, that I want to check to allow myself to post reaction videos about a show. But the fact that I misunderstood that after the first episode, I can already predict that people are gonna be mad and calling me bad names. I'm not sure that I want to endure that, you know, to read all of that. It's not gonna change my life, you know, I'm not gonna be mad, sad because of it, but it's never a pleasure to read that kind of stuff. And after that, you know, the people who are gonna watch my videos, some it's gonna be for good reasons, because they want really to know my reactions and thoughts about the show, but some are gonna be like, okay, let's see the video of the girl who is so stupid. Some people are like that. And I had some people who were like that when I decided to react to Riverdale, The 100. I don't know, you know, the community who is following, we loves this show, so I don't know how they can react seeing me misunderstanding that at the end of the episode 1. We'll see. I'm not gonna wait, you know, to watch the third episode to decide if I'm gonna post these reaction videos or not, because like I said, again, I think that these videos are checking all of the boxes that I have into my mind before deciding if I'm gonna post reaction videos about a show or not. It's really more about how people are gonna react if I want to deal with that or not. If you are watching this on YouTube, it means that I decided that I was gonna react to this show. You know it. Me, right now, I don't know. But again, I think that I'm gonna keep that during the editing, because I want with this channel to be honest with you, with everything, with how I'm functioning, you know, with my reaction videos, with my reactions, with my thoughts, to not lie to you, to not hide to you. Like, I could cut, you know, all of the parts with me saying that Nate is our brother during the review and the intro of this episode I could edit that, I could lie to you about that, but no. I'm not lying to you neither when I have some issues with my channel, you know, with copyrights and all. Yes, I will decide that, but not right now, later, with a cold mind, you know. And again, if you are watching this on YouTube, it means that I decided that I was gonna watch and react to all of this season 1. Whatever I decided, it's all for me and for you for today, so it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Crazy.